Hello everyone, I am Shrutimala Hazarika, a research scholar pursuing my PhD under the guidance of Professor Garima Kalita ma'am from the Department of English, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Back in 2017, I also had completed my Masters from University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya itself. Today I am here to share my experiences from being a student of Masters till pursuing my PhD. We all know about the current situation that is going on in the entire world, that is the COVID pandemic. The world, including our country, is suffering from all the sectors, be it economical, social, political, educational, etc. We are also aware that the government has instantly instructed all the educational institutions to shut down, leaving everyone clueless about what to do next. In this case, I'm extremely grateful to all the members of USTM for working efficiently hard for the well-being of their students during this pandemic situation. First of all, as a research scholar, I would like to share my experiences during this crisis. As I've already mentioned, we as students were very much clueless about what to do now during this crisis. At first, there was a hustle and bustle regarding the academic area, but very soon we have started getting updates regarding our PhD. So we have started sharing our progresses via social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, and whatnot. I must admit that there is an immensely supportive research panel of our university, because of whom we as research scholars are still working on our research progresses during this pandemic as well. On behalf of all the research scholars, I'm extremely thankful to our respected Chancellor Sir, the research panel, and all the team members who are working extremely hard day and night for us so that we could produce better research outputs at the end. Now, I would like to share a few wonderful experiences that I had during my Masters from 2015 to 2017. Like all the other educational institutions, USTM also organizes Freshers Party every year, where many competitions are held, many functions are organized, and the new students are given chances to showcase their talents on different platforms. Hailing from a cultural background, I also thought of giving it a try back in 2015. So there was a singing competition in our department, and I tried to sing an old song to which my faculty members were very much impressed. And since then, they have been immensely supporting me in this cultural background. Also, I feel so honored because I had sung 2 to 3 lines in the USTM anthem as well. Also, not only in the cultural background, but the Department of English provides many opportunities in different platforms as well. Every year the department organizes many seminars, many street plays, etc. to allow the students gain experiences by participating in those activities. I myself had participated in many street plays which were organized to mark the celebration of International Youth Day, International Women's Day, and many more. Also, as a research scholar and as an alumnus of USTM, I had participated in many national seminars organized by the Department of English. I'd like to highlight here that USTM provides free net coaching and free civil services coaching to the students that are associated with USTM. I myself took the net coaching several days back, and I got to learn many new things that I wasn't aware of. The faculty members work so hard and provide so much of information that every year many students from USTM crack competitive exams, especially UGC NET. Also, USTM rewards back the entire fees to any student who cracks a competitive exam while pursuing his or her education in USTM. There is a strong mission of USTM known as Hawk 20, which is a free coaching where 20 meritorious students are selected for free IAS training. When it comes to the opportunities provided by USTM, the list is a long one and is never going to end. I am extremely grateful and privileged for being a part of USTM, and I pay my gratitude to our Honorable Chancellor Sir, to the Department of English, and to all the team members of USTM for bestowing upon us a wonderful academic life. Thank you.